Authenticity isn't something you just manufacture. It's about staying true to your vision. And now, bringing an authentic vision to life is simpler, faster, and more sustainable than ever before. For too long, traditional manufacturing made authentic design slow, costly, and out of reach. So we built a platform that transforms the process, empowering you to bring your ideas to life. For over 10 years, Gantri's digital factory in California has been leading the way, combining additive manufacturing, robotics, and smart software to power our on-demand production line. No inventory, no waste. Just beautiful, high-quality products delivered in under 2 weeks. And we didn't stop there. We even created our own sustainable materials. Gantri plant polymers, biodegradable blends made from non-GMO sugarcane. At Gantri, we believe design should be beautiful, sustainable, and simple to create. We're here to bring your vision to life. And we're just getting started.